our next sneak, this is going to be a great one. This is Project Draw and Delight by Shomodeep Chakraborty.
Yep.
Hi. We have all seen Firefly in action, right? You type some text and bam, out comes an image. But what if you have something very specific in mind? Imagine a cat reaching for a yarn ball with the right paw, and the ball is just out of reach, and it's looking towards me. Well, I wrote this descriptive prompt in Firefly, but none of these images is what I had in mind. But allow me to illustrate the idea. So I want the cat. Just bear with me, like so.
True artist.
Can't beat that. Okay. And with the right paw reaching for the yarn ball like that. And let's not forget the other limbs and the tail. Yeah.
You're angling for another job. I hope some guy from Pixar just stands up and be like, we need him.
Okay, to assure you this is a cat, let's type in cat, okay? And let's see what happens if I click generate. But sometimes a small doodle is worth 1,000 words. And voila. Well, this is Project Draw and Delight, where we extend text with visual hints to create stunning graphics. Let's add a bit of flair. I'm imagining a light brown cat with an adorable pink nose, right? Yeah, right.
Sure.
Well, remember those coloring books from childhood?
I do.
Yeah. Well, this is a little more sophisticated, so it does the rest for you. Okay, what if you want to be more spontaneous and varied, right? So here I go again. I have to draw. Okay. So I'm trying to make a shape which is very hard given this mouse. Just a bit. It needs to be kind of have an approximate shape, proportion, and well, perfection is not the objective here, and thank God for that. And
it's a dog.
And just like that, our cat has a playful friend. Well, Draw and Delight is not just about doodling characters. You can conjure up entire scenes and landscapes. So here I go again. I'll use a little bit of green to make grass, brown for the tree trunk, yes, some leaves on top, why not? And since it's autumn, let's have some artistic license with green colors. And mountains in the back.
Regular Bob Ross.
Yes. With just that and my artistic masterpieces, this is what I get.
Oh my gosh.
Well, let's just up the ante here. Have you ever wondered how our friend would look like playing a guitar?
I did.
Well, yes. We'll soon find out, and generating different poses of that same character is quite challenging. But with Draw and Delight, it's just walk in the park, or I should say rock in the park, but... Well, with music in the air, it's only fair that the cat wants to join in. So we get multiple poses of that same character. Yeah. One small detail I forgot to mention that all these are actually AI files. You can open them up in Illustrator, move them around, or have fun with Puppet Walk. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for accompanying me on this.
Amazing. Thank you, Shomodeep. I mean, this is crazy. I work on Adobe Firefly. Understanding that, like, this gives you so much more creative control than what just typing in a prompt or moving a few sliders, being able to draw. I mean, you can just sketch a little something. I feel like you could do this, Adam.
Well, I feel like you're speaking down to me a little bit, but yeah, really, it's a good way to like lord your abilities over your children.
Oh,
Because they're like, look what I draw, Daddy, and you're like, look what I just did.
there you go.
Your drawing sucked compared to mine. Can your cat dance? I don't think so. I'm gonna
Thank
be a
you,
good dad.
Shomodeep.
I'm gonna be a good dad.
Thank you.
Thank
One
you,
more time
Shomodeep.
for Project Draw and Delight.
Thanks, buddy. Good job.